Another great day with my fishing buddy Katlyn. They call her the Queen of the Jetty. Let me show you why. And see how I make the world's ugliest fish taste good.
I'm waiting for a friend of mine, Katlyn, who's a local legend of fishing around this jetty. I had to get back in the car because she's a bit late and it is hot out there. I don't know, it must be 40 degrees and the humidity is pretty high. And you can't swim in that water because it is croc and shark infested.
As soon as Katlyn arrived, the first mission was to get some bait, and Katlyn is the master of throwing that net. Our main target for the bait are mullet, but we quite often get these little prawns which are very good for bait too.
Good load. So where I'm sitting right now, in say an hour, I will be completely underwater. That's how quickly the tide comes in here.
There's a little bite. But I missed the fish. And while I was missing that fish, Katlyn was over there nailing one.
What's that? A grunter? Oh, salmon.
Oh, too small. Gotta chuck him back.
Unfortunately, this threadfin salmon was a fraction too small, so that went back.
Yeah, come on.
Caitlin's got something on now.
Oh, no. No. Please don't say shark. I swear, this is probably the
Same bloody sharks.
The trick to handling these sharks is being confident. You've got to get right in there and grab it just behind the head. You have to hold on very tight because they are extremely powerful.
swallowed my hook, didn't it?
It's in there. Oh, you haven't got your pliers?
No, I don't.
Oh, I'll do it.
Check it out. Don't you dare bite me, so help me, I will be screaming in the cold.
Oh, don't bite my nipples either. Shit, it's getting real close to my nipple.
I hate this. Oh.
Yeah, they're not fun.
You should give it all my fork to quick I can think.
There we go. There we go. Noah's Ark, the shark. Don't come back. We think she's on again. Let's hope it's a big one this time and not a shark. What? Another shark. Oh, it's a catfish.
What is that?
Catfish. That's called dinner. Oh yeah.
What is that?
Watch Katlyn's pinpoint accuracy. Boom! That takes some serious skill.
Got him. The Queen of the Jetty strikes again. Gone left. Nah, it's not another shark, is it?
Alrighty, I'll pack this one up because I ain't getting anything on this.
As the sun started to set, I started to get hungry.
Okay, so I didn't catch the fish, Katlyn did, but she caught this cobbler or a catfish. I'm going to cook it really simply. Just going to use some spring onion oil that I made myself, but you can use vegetable oil or olive or whatever you want, just a little bit of salt and pepper. It's that simple, but that's all you need to do with this fish. And just in case you don't know, the Australian catfish, I don't know about the other parts of the world, they've got this nasty spine right here. If you step on it, you're in big trouble. And they've got one on each of these fins as well. And they are brutal if they whip around and grab you, and they're serrated so they don't come out. So just some salt. And a little bit of this spring onion oil. And that's it. I've only gutted it. There's no scales, so you don't need to take those off, but there is a little bit of slime, but I just leave that on. It's not gonna hurt you, and it doesn't taste offensive. So yeah, I'm just gonna whack it in the oven now for, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes, 180 degrees. Look at that, perfect fit for the pan, isn't it? For the tray. Good way.
I don't bother wrapping this in foil or anything because the skin keeps all the juices in. When we catch one in the bush and we've got a fire, we just throw it straight on the coals. With pretty much any fresh fish, you want to barely be able to pull it off from the bone.
Our neighbour has cooked some beautiful congee with some fish that I caught a few days ago. And then we've got this, you can't see it over there, beautiful, look at that, so soft and moist. Catfish. Now let me try this catfish for you. Oh. Honestly, all you need to do is cook it simply because that is such a beautifully flavoured fish. That is good. Now let's try the neighbour's congee. Zincan, that's beautiful. And I used, Zincan used the jewfish that I caught, which is beautiful for this. It's nice and firm.
That was a good feed. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to Eat with Turner.